It's possible na ugat, but it's also very possible if elderly and menopause na imong mother na na-fractured ang iyang hips. Remember, ang imong giingon is sakit ang iyang bugan, and actually kaning bugan nato is naagid diha madapita ang tinuod na hip joint. It's a ball and socket joint, and this is why na a hip fracture can be diri gyud sa may bugan nato na area. Dili siya sa diri dapita. So I hope that answers your question, Ma'am Lenny. And guys, if you are getting valuable information from this live, please like, follow, and share this live with your friends. We typically separate ang Saturday live para sa mga hip and knee arthritis, and a Sunday para sa atong knee injury patients, because I think na kaning mga arthritis warriors nato manimba manggod og Domingo. So kaning mga batan-on humanan simba siguro sa Sunday sa gabi. But today, because na absent ko again, we're going to do 2-in-1 karon. Next question is from Lorna. Lorna is again naa sa chat. We have a dedicated chat group for our patients. There is a Hip and Knee Arthritis Philippines, and this is from the chat group. Again, Hip and Knee Arthritis Philippines, free to join a group, walay bayad, and we help inspire patients na makabalik sa ilang paglakaw despite their arthritis. So, shout out sad ni Ma'am Elva. Ma'am Elva, hello. Good evening. Thank you for following. Also from Bacolod, we have KV. Good evening po, Sir KV. We're going on to the next question. Gikan ni Lorna again from Hip and Knee Arthritis Philippines. Ang atong arthritis warrior na si Lorna nangutana bahin sa iyahang bana. Dok, akong bana kay nagngulngul ug nagbikog. So, Ma'am Lorna, depende man gud asa ang ngulngul ug bikog, mas naatay idea if unsa ang problema. Dok, naamang gud siya rheumatoid arthritis. Parte ba ni sa rheumatoid arthritis? So again, Ma'am Lorna, rheumatoid arthritis can hit or affect lot of joints in the body. Pwede sa tuhod. Kaning rheumatoid arthritis can actually destroy the knee joint. That's diri. And of course, nasa different big joints, the hip joint can also be affected. Kaning sa may bugan lagi. Now, if naay muscles na ngul-ngul around the thigh area or the groin area, kanang singit or bugan, then it's possible na naay rheumatoid arthritis around that hip joint na nag-worsen, nagka-grabe-grabe ba. Also, rheumatoid arthritis can affect sa kamot, sa tuhod. So, guys, if you have questions bahin aning mga rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, you can comment below in the chat. Just put your name and where you are from para matubag nato na sila. I hope na Ma'am Lorna na ma-clarify nimo kung asa dapit ang bikog, and if you do have a diagnosis na daan of rheumatoid arthritis, please always consult your doctor near you. So everyone, I know na nagbalik-balik lang ko ani, pero it's really important na dili lang sa atong live mo mangutana, makakita gani gyud mo og doktor na face-to-face consultation mo ginay best. And it's really difficult to examine man good ang pasyente is part of the protocol. Kanang exam